Enjoying the Christmas present.
Freezing rain warning in effect for the whole area of Ontario from Lake Huron right across to the areas north of Toronto into the Peterborough area and into eastern Ontario. There are thousands more hydro customers without electricity today. Estimates now say about 100,000 people, or customers rather, mostly in rural eastern Ontario. Roger Marsh is the manager of customer services at Gloucester Hydro. The city of Gloucester borders Ottawa. He's down the power lines here and there.
In Gloucester, we're lucky from that perspective. All our main substations are intact as we speak. Our supplies from Ontario Hydro are there. Our problems are all with our distribution lines, who have been heavily damaged by the ice buildup.
Well, as you hear, Eastern Ontario is in a huge mess, and Quebec because of a big ice storm. Here in Pepperlaw, we had a little bit of freezing rain. Past couple days. Our steps are a bit icy, and everything's a little bit frozen. But this is nothing like Montreal, where they got 2 inches of freezing rain, and the whole city is at a standstill. They even canceled trains for the first time because of downed power lines on the tracks, frozen switches. So we've got off quite lightly in comparison.
Mr. Marsh, what's your biggest concern
Hi
at this
there.
point?
Our biggest concern at this
So
point
looks
would
like
be losing the supply from Ontario
new
Hydro.
walks today.
We've heard
And
that
I have
there were
to
some
stay
towers
warm and
that were
cozy
affected
inside
in the eastern
again.
part of Ontario.
Had to stay in
Certainly,
yesterday because it
some
was
of those
icy.
towers or some of those lines are
And I'll just have to
key
stay
to
in
our
again
area.
today.
We don't have all the information as far as
indoors.
how well Ontario Hydro supply is or how
Until
secure it
this
is right
big
now.
ice
So we
storm
believe that if we look at our own system here, our distribution system,
Right,
we're
sweetie?
confident, weather permitting, that we'll be able to get a lot of our customers
Yeah.
back into business,
Yeah.
let's say within the next 24 hours. That's the next.
Ice load builds up, poles and lines that were standing yesterday are not standing today. As far as customer-wide outages, it's hard to tell if there's a net impact just due to the fact that a lot of it's on existing circuits where part of them are down.
Not much snow left, that's for sure.
Yesterday, the Highway 417 from Ottawa down to West Montreal was closed because of power lines. You got it open again, and now I understand that parts of it anyway are closed again. How much of a challenge is that to keep the hydro lines off the highways?
It's been keeping it hard, that goes. A lot of conductors still coming down, and obviously we're trying to clear them off, keep the roads in the same spot.
Now, you know, hydro
A
lines,
little
that's
slippery,
one
but
thing. You think, okay, you can probably get them up and
Daddy's made it to work.
as much work as some other things, but when towers come down, I mean, what do you do to restore
Yesterday without any problem. The roads are well salted.
You know, the towers, when they're down like that, they're looked after by a different group here, actually. And there's a separate transmission group that focus on restoring the powers to the high tension system. And what they're in the process of